Hey everyone, so let's do a check-in. So get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. And just take this time for yourself. Close your eyes and place a hand on your heart. And just take a deep breath in. And just breathe it out nice and slowly. There's no rushing. And just continue to breathe. Deeply inhale. And exhale, just letting it all out. Continue with the breath, just allowing it to relax your body and your mind, your emotions. Inhale, exhale. And just allow your attention, your focus to move to the heart center. Ask your heart what it is that you need today. And ask your heart what it is that you've been neglecting to do for yourself. Or maybe it's something that you aren't paying attention to, or you've ignored. Just really listen. And continue to breathe. And just allowing that focus to go deeper into your heart. What is it, one thing that you can do today to show love for yourself? To give yourself the care and attention that you need? And just listen deeply to your heart center. And now you can stay here as long as you like, just continuing to listen to your heart, just allowing that energy to flow through your heart. And whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes. Just bask in the feeling of your loving heart. I hope this helped you today. Namaste.